How to play Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 on mobile phone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys an alternative on how you can play Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 on phone. So as you guys know, Poppy Playtime 3 is a popular horror game which is available on gaming platform like Steam. So if we just go to Play Store and search for Poppy Playtime Chapter 3, as you can see, there is no active game that says Poppy Playtime Chapter 3, but Chapter 1 and Chapter 2 is already out on Play Store, but Chapter 3 is not out yet. But you can find it on gaming platforms like Steam, Xbox, and PlayStation. So in order to play, here is an alternative that says Purple Monster Chapter 3. It's a similar game to Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 and graphics is quite good as well. So you can see the reviews, there are a lot of 5 stars as well, and you can try this out and play this until Poppy Playtime Chapter 3 is officially out. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.